Hey folks, this day started with a lot of fog and low clouds, and they lifted but never went completely away. We stayed almost overcast pretty much all day long. We've seen spotty showers, nothing real big. We had a couple of rumbles of thunder in McAllen, a couple right on the coast, but that's about it. And there's not much left out there, just a little bit of light rain and drizzle, but the clouds have been thick all day long today and likely will continue to be thick all night tonight and into tomorrow. Our warm front, what used to be a cold front down to the south, has turned around. It's coming back to the north as a warm front. It will sneak to the north of us tomorrow, and with that, we may start the day with fog, but we end the day with, I think, warmer conditions, temperatures climbing up probably into the low 80s tomorrow for one day, and then Wednesday, we're sitting here at 8 o'clock in the morning with cloudy skies. But look, here come the showers, maybe even a thunder shower as our front comes through, and then it turns colder for Wednesday afternoon and Thursday. Thursday, we'll be lucky if we get out of the low 50s, maybe even upper 40s in many places. So we have a day of winter coming back. Probably just one day. We'll warm up a little bit on Friday, and by the weekend, we're right back up in the 80s again. So it's a short-term cool down. We'll talk about temperatures more in a second, and it's a chance for rain. It goes up to 50% for Wednesday and Thursday, but you're looking at light stuff both days. For the most part, you're looking at a few sprinkles and light showers, not much more than that. Here are the current temperatures. We've got 67 in Harlingen, 74 Port Isabel, Brownsville's at 75. Our lows tonight should stay in the mid to upper 60s, so a very mild night under cloudy skies. And then tomorrow, we bounce back up. Enjoy this, low 80s, because we got one day of this tomorrow, and then these temperatures are gone until the weekend when we're warm again. 74 at the coast tomorrow under mostly cloudy skies. The normal high for early February is 73. We'll be above that tomorrow, probably hitting the norm in the morning on Wednesday, but then temperatures will fall during the afternoon, probably into the 50s, perhaps as early as lunchtime, and then no warmer than the 50s on Thursday. So a big cool down across the valley and across a lot of the country. It's 46 in Dallas now, 54 in Austin, 59 in San Antonio, and 64 in Laredo. Follow that I-35 corridor, big difference in temperatures across there. A lot of clouds across the state today as well. This is what Future Track shows. There goes the warm front to the north. It runs into the cold front. Cold front takes over, pushes southward, comes in the valley by about midday or so on Wednesday. It turns much cooler behind the front with some sprinkles around, some light rain, maybe into Thursday. By Friday, that front stalls to the south, and Saturday comes back to the north as a warm front. We warm back up again for Saturday and Sunday. Longer range models bring another front in perhaps late Sunday or Monday, but they're not in agreement on that. There's some differences of opinion on what will happen on Monday. In the morning at the coast, temperatures in the 70s. It stays there all day at the coast. Southeasterly winds, UV is moderate. You saw the water temperature. Here is the bay temperature at 61. A light chop on the bay. Seas about 2 to 4 feet. There are 2 tides. So tonight across the valley, patchy fog with a sprinkle or two possible, 68 for your low. And then tomorrow, a southerly wind kicks in. We could go up to about 81 degrees with some afternoon sunshine. 81 tomorrow, 73 and falling on Wednesday. Thursday, no warmer than about 51 after starting in the 40s. Friday, we jump back to 59, and then the weekend, there we are again, 80 and 82 with isolated showers possible each day of the weekend, but at least a little bit of sunshine mixed in as well. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.